Dear students, in the last video we discussed about the connective tissue, and in the connective tissue we have read about the fibrous connective tissue, that is tendon, ligament, areolar tissue and adipose tissue. Now it's turn that we will be reading about the skeletal tissue. Skeletal tissue. The skeletal tissue includes two different kinds of tissues, the bone and the cartilage, right? Bone and the cartilage. Clear? So when you compare this bone and cartilage regarding their stiffness, bone is stiff means if you try to bend it, it will break. This is first feature. Whereas cartilage is little bit flexible and tensile, you can say tensile. You can see your outer ear pinna, your outer ear. This outer ear is made up of cartilage. If you feel, you can little bit move it, right? Then you can see the nose. This nose also is made up of cartilage, right? So this way we have various parts, whereas bones, as you cannot see them, but they make our skeletal system. They make our skeletal system, right? So what is cartilage? Cartilage is supporting connective tissue, and it is made up of firm and elastic matrix, right? So cartilage is elastic matrix. Matrix means a network of structures, or you can say fundamental base. You can say base, right? Base or fundamental structure, right? It is present. Where is it present? I have told you, in ear, in the nose. You have seen windpipe, or the windpipe is having C-shaped rings. Like this, rings are there in our windpipe that goes from nostril, the nasal cavity, then windpipe. What is the other name of windpipe? You remember? Trachea, right? Trachea. Then trachea goes and branches in the lungs. Do you remember? So here this is cartilage. These C-shaped rings are cartilage, right? And what is the main function? It gives strength and flexibility, right? This is cartilage. You don't have to go in further detail. Then bone is generally made up of calcium. That's why white in color. Do you remember white in color? You know that our body or skeleton is made up of 206 bones, right? It is made up of calcium, salts, various salts make this, like calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, magnesium phosphate and calcium fluoride. So different kinds of chemical salts together make this bones, okay? And what is their function? Their function is they make the framework of the body. Right? So this much you should know about the skeletal connective tissue, right? Next we will be reading about the fluid connective tissue, that is blood, then blood platelets, then lymph, right? RBC, WBC, all that. So that's all in this video about skeletal connective tissue. Thank you.